Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make your own phone with the help of Arduino device and GSM module. So let us begin.
So to make this we required one Arduino board, one 2x16 display, one 4x4 matrix keyboard, one GSM device, one variable resistor, one 220 ohm resistance, connecting wires, and one breadboard.
So first we set up the display part. So take the breadboard and take 2x16 display. Now I am going to connect all the wires with the display. So now we are going to connect our Arduino board with the GSM device. Now we are going to connect 4x4 matrix keyboard with this Arduino device. Now we are going to connect all these devices together. So here you can see all the devices has been connected. Now we are going to connect the power cable and then we upload the software. So here I connected the power cable. Now I am going to upload the software into the Arduino device. So here our software has been uploaded and you can see that the screen is displaying hello world. Now we are just going to dial a number from the keypad. My number is 70075666841. As you press the button C, the Arduino will calling the number and it shows calling. So here you can see that the call is coming from the Arduino. Now by pressing the button D, the call has been disconnected, as you can see. Now if you want to again dial a number, then just press 70075666841 and then press the calling button C. Now you can see that the display is showing calling and the call is incoming on my number. Now by pressing D, you can disconnect the call. as you can see. So like this you can make your own phone at your home.
I hope you all enjoy my video. So if you like my video, then please press like and subscribe my channel for more videos, and please share my videos. Thank you very much.